Parissa Hot Wax is a professional strength salon wax. It's perfect for gently lifting away short, coarse hair in sensitive areas. We recommend it for waxing the face, upper lip, underarm, bikini, and Brazilian areas. All Parissa wax kits come with detailed instructions. This video is a summary. Before you start, do a patch test. Apply a small amount of wax to your skin and wait 24 hours. If no redness or irritation occurs, you're good to go. Previously shaved hair can be short and resistant, so make sure you wait 2 weeks or have 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter of hair growth before your first waxing treatment. Don't bathe, wash, or clean your skin before waxing. Your skin's natural oils help provide a buffer between the wax and your skin. Applying a small amount of talc or baby powder can help do this too. Parissa Hot Wax becomes liquid once it's melted. The Parissa Wax Warmer is the easiest and safest method to warm the wax. Place on the warmer for 20 to 25 minutes. When the wax is half melted, mix it with a spatula. Aim for a thick honey consistency. Turn off the wax warmer when the wax is the right consistency. If the wax is too liquid, it is too hot to apply. If you don't yet own a Parissa Wax Warmer, place the hot wax in its pan on your electric stovetop. Carefully heat on low heat and do not leave unattended. Always test the temperature of the wax before applying. Don't leave the wax unattended on the heat, as the wax, pan, and handle may become hot. Use the spatulas provided to apply the wax. Wipe the wax off from one side of the spatula. This helps prevent drips. Smooth on a thick layer of wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. This helps push the hairs up and make sure the wax gets in and around the hairs. Leave the wax thicker and rounded at the edges for easier removal. Applying too thin of a layer of wax will make the wax removal difficult and uncomfortable. Let the wax cool. As soon as the surface is no longer tacky to the touch, the wax is ready to be removed. This may take 10 to 15 seconds. Don't let the wax harden completely. Make sure you hold the skin taut as you peel off the wax quickly. Do this in the opposite direction of hair growth. Keeping the skin taut reduces discomfort. Parissa Hot Wax does not wash away with water. Clean any excess wax with Parissa Azulene oil. A small vial is included with your Parissa Hot Wax. Other gentle oils will work for cleaning too. The Parissa Azulene oil will also help soothe the skin. Temporary pinkness of the skin after waxing is normal. This should disappear in 20 minutes to a few hours. So don't plan to wax just before heading out for the evening. With waxing, your skin will stay smooth for weeks longer than after shaving. The hair regrowth will also become softer and sparser with each time you wax. All of Parissa waxes are made with safe and gentle ingredients from natural origins. Visit our website, parissa.com, for more information on our waxing products and for detailed waxing guides.